convert 12 by 35 to decimal. To convert this to decimal, we have to divide, and to divide we should frame it in this way. 12 here, 35 here. This is your step 1. Next, here we have 12, here 35. 12 smaller than 35. So what we should do is, we should put dot here, take 0 here. So 120. A number close to 120 in 35 table is 35 threes, 105. Now we should subtract, we get 15. Here we have 15, here 35. 15 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 150. A number close to 150 in 35 table is 35 fours, 140. Now we subtract, we get 10. Here we have 10, here 35. 10 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 100. A number close to 100 in 35 table is 35 twos, 70. Now we subtract, we get 30. Here we have 30, here 35. 30 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 300. A number close to 300 in 35 table is, let us go with 8. So 35 8 times. 8 5s 40, 0 4. 8 3s 24 plus 4, 28. So 280 close to 300. So we should go with 8 times. So 35 8s. 280. Now we subtract, we get 20. Here we have 20, here 35. 20 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 200. A number close to 200 in 35 table is 35 fives, 175. Now we subtract, we get 25. Here we have 25, here 35. 25 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 250. A number close to 250 in 35 table is, let us go with 7. So 35 7 times. 7 5s 35, 5 3, 7 3 is 21 plus 3, 24. So 245 close to 250. So we should go with 7 times. So 35 7 times. 245. Now we subtract, we get 5. Here we have 5, here 35. 5 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 50. A number close to 50 in 35 table is 35 ones, 35. Now we subtract, we get 15. Now you observe, here we had 15 and we got 15 again. That means we get bar on these numbers. Remember here, we do not get bar on this starting number because after doing a step, we got the number which repeated again. After doing a step, we got this, so do not put bar on this starting number. Therefore, our answer is 0.3428571. Bar on these numbers. This is our answer.